Ready? You want to go for a ride? Big adventure today. So this is my kitchen. It's raining pretty good here. The firewood was already there. There's a fire ban. There's my screen room. I've got the walls hung up. I'm going to figure out how to hang a tarp. I've got my light. Oops. I left that on. Again. And my little 4-person tent. I still gotta put the dog bed in here though. Hi, Hunter. Well, we are sitting down in here. I don't know if you can see through the screen. It's raining pretty good. But we are dry. My tent's right there. Somehow, one of these days I'm going to figure out how to put a tarp. There is my kitchen over there in the pickup. And I have an adult beverage. And I'm just going to relax with my puppy. Social distancing, please. Back, back, back. Back. Yes. High five. Yes, good boy. Look. Look. Yes. Look. Yes. Okay. Oops. Find it. Did you get it? Ah, you're fast. You're a pig. That's why. 1, 2, 3. I gotta count my fingers when you take food. Come on, Hunter. It's almost bedtime. Yeah. It's cold. We can see our breath. Hunter, look at me and breathe. So I had the heater on low while I got my pajamas on, and it's almost too warm. So at least I know. Ooh. Holy cow, that thing got cold. Look at there, there's frost on it. At least I know now that I can get warm, but I'm a little bit concerned about that frost on the canister. So, I've never seen that happen. It's kind of scary. Okay, but I'm going to bed. Hunter is refusing to sleep on his bed, and I'm tired, and I'm done. Good night. This is how we sleep. Yeah, because I brought a bed for him, specifically for him. But, yeah, Well, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going back to sleep. No, I'm just going to lay here for a while. It's cold outside. Good boy, Hunter. Such a good boy. Here, Hunter. So this is a tree. Here, Hunter. Hunter's gonna model to show you how big this tree is. It fell. Taking the whole ground up with it. Hunter, up, up. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, he's such a good boy. Hunter and I are out here looking for the sunset. And I don't think there's the moon. If you can look. Oops. There is the moon. Right there on the side. Okay, Hunter, want to go home and go to bed? Huh? I'm going to go and just kind of kick back. Come on, let's go. So I invested in something really cool. So when I go outside at night, or somebody wants to snoop around, yeah, lights up my camp really well. Okay. Good morning, Hunter. Rise and shine. Good morning. What's this? Huh? Good morning. Or is it? I don't know. I've been awake most of the night. I don't know why. From about 1 to 4:30, I think. It's almost 8 now. I just woke up a few minutes ago. And I don't know, my back was really hurting. Today is moving day. I'm supposed to go to another place. But I think I'm going to pack up and go home. I'll have to see how I feel. I'll have to see how I feel once I get done packing up. My lower back is really killing me, and it's going to take a while to load all the stuff up, and then it takes about an hour to set it back up. So I can't leave one of the tents in the leave it folded because they're all wet from the other night. It just has not been warm enough to dry them off, so we're gonna have to be hung when I get home. Anyways, it is going to be a slow morning. I'm so tired. Anyways, I think I heard something in the back of my truck again, and I remembered I forgot to take the trash put it in the cab. So I probably have a mess there. It's been an interesting night. So I'll get up in a minute. Okay, I was trying to take down the wall. And I have a severe arachnophobia. I don't care if it's just daddy long legs, but gee, many crickets. Yuck. I just reached up to grab that hook and got a surprise. My mind was made up for me. I started taking my little tent down, and one of the poles is split, and I don't want to leave it sitting in the bag. So that's it for me. I'm going to go home. It's already 11, and I'm not even done. I still got stuff everywhere. So I think I'm just going to call it a day. And then I have a job interview on Wednesday, and this is Monday. So that'll give me a day to dry out my stuff, clean up, rethink my brain as a city person. And then probably Friday take off backpacking in the goat rocks. Alrighty, bye. Wait. 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 Okay. Such abuse. Here, you missed one.